application letter, and today we're going to learn how to write an application letter. When we write the application letter, we need to remember that it is a formal writing. So we need to keep formal register. The first paragraph of our application letter will be greeting. Here we can use phrases like Dear Sir, Dear Madam, Dear Mr. or Dear Mrs. plus a surname of the person we are writing to. In case we don't know the name of the person, we just write to whom it may concern. To whom it may concern. So this is a perfect phrase we can use when we don't know the name of the person we are writing to. In the second paragraph of our letter, we'll give the reason why we're writing a letter. This is an application letter, so we're applying for a job or we're applying for internship. So we can use phrases like, I would like to apply for the web design position that was listed on your website. So here we give the reason why we're writing. I'm writing because I want to apply for a job. What kind of job? Web designer. Where did I find this position? I found it on the website. In case you would like to apply for internship, you can use a sentence like this. I'm writing to apply for internship listed on your website. In the third paragraph of your letter, you need to provide more information about yourself, about your work experience or your studies. And here you need to explain to your employer why you are the best candidate for this position. In case you don't have enough work experience or you don't have any experience, you need to convince your future employee why you are beneficial for their company. So if you don't have any experience related to the job, you need to make employee understand why it is beneficial for them to have you as a part of their team, of their company. Here I will give you one example. I believe my academic achievements mean that I am the right person for this exciting job opportunity. I have no work experience. However, I have been participating in numerous projects of web design for various NGOs. I was able to rebuild websites and introduce much more active online presence. So here I'm writing about my studies, about my academic achievements, but at the same time I'm saying I don't have any work experience. However, nonetheless, I've got something I've done which can be very useful for your company. Furthermore, as well as studying full-time, I have an occasional part-time job as a shop attendant. There, I was responsible for not only assisting customers, but also for catching up at the end of my shift. With this paragraph, I would like to show that I'm a responsible person because I was studying and at the same time I had some part job where I dealt with clients and also I was responsible for cashing up for money. So this is something positive about me I'm telling to my future employer. Or we also can add a phrase that please find attach my application form. So again, we attach application form with all details about ourselves. The fourth paragraph of our application letter is closing sentence. And this sentence can look like this. I believe that I would be available for your organization and this job would provide me with ideal opportunity to gain real-world experience and to grow personally and professionally. So I'm saying that I think from my point of view, I would be valuable, I will be beneficial for your company. But at the same time, this job will give me some benefits for me as well, because I'm going to get real world experience, work experience that I haven't got now. And the last part is forming ending. Here we can say, thank you for your consideration. Sincerely, your and your full name, your name and your surname. When you write an application letter, please bear in mind that you can't use contractions. So we can't say isn't, haven't, doesn't, wouldn't. Yeah, we have to use is not, have not, does not, would not, or should not. We cannot use colloquial expressions. We can't say, hi mate, big kisses, see you later. No, we should keep formal register. Neither can we use idioms. We can't say drop me a line at the end of your letter. It's quite nice expressions when you write a letter to your friend or your pen pal, but not when you're applying for a job. And also please use connectors. Try to use formal connectors such as given that, furthermore, however, additionally, what is more. So your letter will sound more logical and easier to read. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more videos, follow my channel.